It's really important that I GPS myself to this location because I don't know where the hell we are right now.
I typically like to add some flair to my open houses. Balloons.
Let me get an introduction from you.
All right. My name's Donny Tran, and we're out here doing another open house. I accidentally called my mom.
Hey, Mom. No, I'm not a doctor yet.
I typically like to add a little flair to my open houses. Cookies, balloons, signs, the whole shebang. I got all my things together. Got my balloons, my signs. We're anticipating about 10 to 15 buyers coming today. I'm a professional here. Open hoys. God. Make some hoys. I like to spice things up with balloons. Moms love it, kids love it. You can see it from a mile away. You're gonna know it's my open house. An important part of an open house is to let the public know that you're even having one. How do I do that? Balloons. Damn it. I can just get this on here. You see, my uncle taught me about knots. Ugh. And there you have it. Some balloons for your first open house. I love to have a good variety of cookies everywhere, just so when potential buyers come in, they have a little snack to eat. I know these buyers are hungry for the inventory in the market right now, and hopefully when they show up to this open house, they'll be hungry for some of these cookies I brought for them. Ugh, oatmeal. You know, social media is really important in today's age as a realtor. Come to my open house today. Oh, I like to update people on what's going on, let them know what I got going on out in this market. It's your boy and twin, Donny Tran. I'm here to help you navigate real estate. Now come on over to my, hey, it's Donny Tran. Come to my open house this weekend if you want to see a nice, single, good-looking realtor. Or if you're looking to buy a house. Hey, it's Donny Tran. Just come to the open house, man. Just come. Please, I need to see someone.